just cut off a bunch of calories. But there is something you can do with Pop Tarts, surprisingly enough, that it's like the coolest kitchen hack ever. So let me get more Pop Tarts, and we're going to kind of crush them. These are strawberry, but I don't think the flavor is important, as you'll see in a moment. Let's bring all of this into the food processor. Let's pretend for a moment that you were making a strawberry cheesecake. But instead of graham crackers for the crust, take your Pop Tarts, put them in here in the food processor, grind them up real well. Yep. Let's see. This does not belong. Okay, almost. Now take it, empty it into a bowl, and add in your melted butter, just like they were graham cracker crumbs. But what you're doing is you're emphasizing, oh look, another piece. Just like you're emphasizing the flavor of whatever cheesecake. Blueberry Pop Tarts, blueberry cheesecake. Brown sugar cinnamon Pop Tarts and pecans ground up, great for pumpkin cheesecake or eggnog cheesecake. And you have a product that works just like graham cracker crumbs. Kellogg's, you owe me $10 million for this one. Anyway, that's it for our Pop Tart crust.